Question is, I'm trying to get coordinates for my business for geotagging. So you're trying to get latitude and longitude coordinates. The coordinates that I'm getting through Google is not my location, but it's several hundred yards off. What is the best way to correct the coordinates? Okay, so there could be a couple issues. So what you need to do is you need to go into Google and you need to look at where they actually have the pin on your Google My Business profile. So if you go to google.com/places and log in and go to the profile, you can adjust the location of the pin. So what you need to do is you need to go and you need to look at where the actual pin is and then go into your Google My Business profile and just click and drag the pin to the correct place. That's the easiest way to do it. That's the best way to do it. Now, by doing this, you may trigger a map re-verification. Which basically means that Google is going to want to send you a postcard, or I don't think they do phone call verifications anymore. I'm not sure if they do phone call verifications anymore. I admit I'm not the one in my company who verifies Google My Business profiles anymore. But if you have to do a verification, it kind of sucks. But that's probably the easiest way to do it is by moving the pin. If you're trying to get the coordinates, like learn what the coordinates actually are, one thing you can do is you can take a picture on your iPhone or on your Android, just make sure location services are on, and then upload the picture to your computer. And then if you right click and look at the properties, now this works on PC. I don't know if it works on Mac. You can upload and do right click properties or whatever, and you can see the metadata there, and you'll see the latitude and longitude there that your phone gives you. If you can't do this on Mac, I can't remember if you can do this on Mac or not. If not, then there's definitely websites you can go to where you can upload the picture and have it read the EXIF data, which is EXIF, and you can use that, and that'll tell you basically about the latitude and longitude. That's how you can find those locations.